What is it called?
It's called sweet beetroot.
Okay, I'm gonna
It's
go
so nice.
for a close-up. Hold on.
Yeah. Come.
Ooh.
Hi, I'm Jasmin Choy and I'm one of Malaysia's Thermomix Team Managers, and today it is really an exciting day for me because my friend Kavitha, and a long time Thermomix user, is going to show me a dish that is never seen in any Thermomix YouTube videos, or have I seen this recipe shown in any Thermomix website before. So Kavitha is a breast cancer patient. She recently found out that she had a tumor in her breast and she had recently taken it out, and as a result she's on a quest to get healthy after her operation. So she's on a high antioxidant vegetarian diet. So what is this dish that she's making? She's making a beetroot dish. Beetroot is chock full of antioxidants. You can Google it up, there's tons of information about beetroot. And this is a beetroot Indian stir-fry dish. It's super tasty, it's something that you should try. So come join us and see how she does it.
What are you cooking today?
Okay, I have beetroot.
Alright.
I know a lot of people don't like beetroot because it has a very bland taste.
Let me see. Close up. Okay.
But with my recipe, trust me, it will be flying off the table.
Okay. First thing,
Okay.
what do you do?
Okay, first thing we need to, of course, stir fry, temper the spices.
Right. Fry the garlic.
Garlic and onion first.
Okay, let's do it.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, first we add our coconut oil.
Okay.
We go good 10 or 15.
Okay.
Because 10 is too little. We go for 15.
15 grams of oil, coconut
Yeah.
oil.
Yep, this is about 3 cloves of garlic.
Right. Okay, in it goes.
In it goes. Try to avoid touching the blades.
Right.
So you got hit by the blades.
Okay.
And much of onion, just
Okay.
maybe about 5 to 10 grams of onions,
Right. Okay.
because the highlight of this dish is the beetroot.
Alright.
Okay, now we close it.
How long are you going to cook it
We're
for?
gonna do it for 5 minutes.
Okay.
Okay, we go for a temperature of, we go for Varoma,
Right.
and we go
Reverse spoon stirring.
reverse spoon. 5 minutes has
Now,
to
how
go.
much is that?
I just add about half a teaspoon
Okay.
of mustard seeds.
Right.
Try and half a teaspoon of cumin seeds.
Right. A handful of curry
handful
leaves.
of curry leaves.
Okay.
And we need a bit of color, so I add
Half a chili.
half a chili, more than
Yeah.
enough. Okay,
Mm.
and we let this go on Varoma for about 2 minutes.
Okay. Reverse spoon stirring. Right.
Reverse spoon stirring.
Mm.
Nice sizzle.
Alright.
Or let's scrape down the sides. Center. Everything.
Smells good.
Nice, huh?
Yes.
Okay, right. So now we add the beetroot.
All
Let's
right.
look at the scale. Use the scale. It's just a very small beetroot I bought
Okay.
because there's 2 of us here. It's about almost 100 grams.
Alright, that's not a lot.
That's not a lot, very little.
Okay.
And for taste, I add a little bit, very
Okay,
little
show.
bit. Ginger garlic paste
Which you made on your own, right?
on my own.
Right, because Indians love ginger garlic paste.
Yeah, and it's so essential for Indian cooking.
Right.
And just a little bit, just for the taste, just like half a teaspoon.
Alright.
Okay, we add a bit of water.
Okay, weigh the water please and see how
Yeah.
much.
Usually I'll just sprinkle a bit of water over the stove.
Okay.
But now we just want a little bit, right? Okay, it's about 30 grams of water.
Right. Then vinegar and salt,
and,
right?
And we add a bit of salt.
We're in a hurry because we have to pick Kavitha's daughter from school.
Okay, we have a teaspoon of
Apple
apple
cider
cider
vinegar.
vinegar. See, that's where the secret is. This vinegar really gives it a nice kick.
Right.
And a sprinkling of brown sugar. Just sprinkle some.
Okay, just like a
Just like that only.
quarter teaspoon of
Quarter teaspoon,
sugar.
yeah. Quarter teaspoon, that's about it.
Right.
And we just let it stir. We stir it
10 minutes, right?
10 minutes because we need the beetroot to
Soften. Okay.
So that's why we add the water also.
Yes.
So we put for about 10 minutes, 120 degrees.
Okay, 120. And then reverse spoon stirring, right?
Yep.
And then we go and pick up your kid.
And
from
yes,
school.
we run and make the dash. Let's go, people.
This is really nice.
Seriously, it's so nice. So nice, I like it.
Dish it out, dish it out, dish it out.
So nice. Started doing like this.
Uh-huh.
They were okay, Mom. We can eat this.
This is a very
Fast.
nice side dish,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah. A side dish, yes. It's not a main dish. It's definitely a side dish. So, ladies, the second dish is done.
This is really gorgeous.
See, the color is there. Even the the curry leaves color is still retained.
Right.
And there's so much nutrition in this.
Ta-da!